this. Our model is
Right.
check with the corrosion like
Inside,
tank.
inside the tank.
Yes,
Wow.
the corrosion
Okay.
inside and what about the thickness of the plate? We must to know for check that.
How long will it sustain? For how many years? It's gonna be.
Yes, it's
Uh,
like we check that our thickness is important for
wow.
us to
Right.
uh, and easy to use that. Is front of the scorpion.
Okay. So that's very interesting. So
Yeah.
if the participants would like to proceed to your booth, what is any specialty or any message?
No comment that.
That's it. Okay, thank
That's
you
all.
very much. ขอบคุณค่ะ So let's proceed to the booth side, the first one. สวัสดีค่ะ So we have Asian corrosion control technology. Yes.
Yes, okay. We are specializing in corrosion control. I'm sorry, my voice. I have operation last week.
You may take the
Yeah,
microphone
okay,
nearer
okay.
to your mouth.
In, we do all kind of corrosion control. Today we are presenting very specialized product. Is a very unique items which
Yes.
is not in Thailand.
Wow.
It's most products from the outside of Thailand.
Okay.
And we handle the corrosion, the internal piping tank, also CUI corrosion under insulation,
Okay.
concrete cathodic protection.
Uh-huh.
So that's a very specialized area.
So for the corrosion control, you
Yes.
mean you can extend the usage of the tank over it?
Right, we do all kind of structure.
Wow.
But using the very specialized products, not by the just conventional way. So that is we showing the all products here today.
Okay. All right. So for those who would like to extend the usage of your tank or your machine, proceed to Asian corrosion control technology. All right. Thank you very
Thank you.
much. So let's proceed on the Green Science Technologies Thailand. สวัสดีค่ะ It's named Thailand Company Limited, but you look not so Thai.
I became Thai.
All right, became Thai. Right. So what do you have today in our conference?
I'm Shiva from Green Science. I'm working as a project engineer.
Right.
So our companies are serving 25 years in this field, corrosion field.
Corrosion
Yeah.
field. All right.
So we are basically serving a pipe.
All the
storage-
pipeline industry.
Yeah, all the pipeline industry.
Right.
Storage tank, transportation, waterworks, offshore facility, power plant, infrastructure, and all kind of
Okay.
integrity management service team.
Okay. On demand of the clients, something like that.
Yeah, the clients. The
I mean,
clients,
your service is on demand. What do the clients want? You can just integrate everything
yeah,
together.
yeah, we do like AZ mitigation, corrosion protection,
Right.
and all kind of CP works.
Okay. Thank you for joining us. Green Science Technologies. It's some kind of variety of the services. Let's get back to EGAD. Wow, whoa. I have the I see the presentation and I see some pipes, some tubes. สวัสดีค่ะ What do EGAD brought to us in this conference?
For our booth, we represent for our products. We are power maintenance service for all the power plant in the Thailand.
The service of the power plant
Yeah.
in Thailand. Okay.
We are just show we are expert for power boiler maintenance. We have many service
You
and
need a
experience.
maintenance service as well.
Yeah.
Really? I've never known that. I just know that EGAD is an organization who supplied electricity to our country. But nowadays you do the maintenance service as well.
And also for operation and maintenance, we supply the manpower for do this job also.
Wow, it's like an outsourced services.
Yeah. Yeah.
Wow, okay. So ladies and gentlemen, EGETS is an expert organization that I have known since I have born in Thailand. So you like to have the expert one about maintaining, controlling, managing
Yeah.
about the flower plants in
Yeah.
your organization.
There are some parts of our innovation. They are just a relative area. We have one kind of the if you have a power plant failure in some part, we
Right.
can analyze and we can get your recommendation for the best practice to do your
Wow.
plant operate well. Yeah.
Okay. So just proceed to the EGET booth and talk to คุณ
Sahathep.
คุณสหเทพนะคะ Thank you very much for joining us today ค่ะ ขอบคุณค่ะ I mean I asked for the microphone not your hand ล้อเล่นนะคะ Alright so we have the PTT Energy Solutions here is there anybody here สวัสดีค่ะ So what PTTES brought to us today
PTTES is Energy Solution. We is a consulting company, and our customer now mainly is like PTT Group, and this is our core business. Like we fly element.
that what you have the consulting services, technical capability enhancement, okay, blah 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 like this. So your client is mostly PTT Group.
For now, it's PTT Group, but we plan to into outside group as well.
Okay, it's mainly about the energy, the gas, or what?
For now, like petrochemical and refinery, the main service.
All right. Okay, so for those who are working in the energy and petrochemical field, let's consult with PTTES. Thank you very
Thank
much.
you.
ขอบคุณค่ะ And lift, move to the other side. อันนี้มีไหมคะ ไม่มี five tigers. I see two human, one human. Where is the five tiger? Oh no, not your booth. All right, may I? 11 tiger. เสือ11 ตัว ไม่ใช่ละ All right, let's move to the next booth then. Wow. As I remember, this booth is our gold sponsor. สวัสดีค่ะ Trinity Dynamic Corporation, what do you do?
Yes, we are the one importer and also distributor of stainless steel.
Wow.
Yeah, we have a more origin,
All kind of industries?
more application like oil and gas, like food business, and also we have something like decoration also.
Importing stainless steel.
That's right.
What next?
Normally we importing for the stainless steel, and also we can provide something like a solution. Yeah, something like application, like how to use the stainless to fit with the application that customer use.
Okay.
Yes.
If you have the stainless steel in your factory, for example,
That's right.
you will be like advised how to take care of that machine
Yeah,
made of
that's right.
stainless steel.
Something like the stainless steel have a market, right? 304, 306, 316. That means we can fit together for the which gate that's suitable for the customer job.
Right. That's
Yes.
very interesting.
Yeah,
So,
that's right.
any ladies and gentlemen who are using stainless steel in your factory, your
Yes.
plants, come to talk to
Trinity.
Dynamic Corporation.
Okay,
Thank you very
Thank
much.
you very much.
We just have our neighborhood Rayong Engineering and Plant Service. I'm sure that you're definitely working with many plants in Rayong province, right?
Right.
You do, by the way.
Okay, and we provide.
Advanced corrosion.
Yeah, we provide advanced solution. Six that's provide a service for. The first one is the
Solution that means the protection, the prevention, everything.
first one. The corrosion management is a kind of the system that control the corrosion systematically and a system
Right.
sustainable.
Okay.
And for the second one, we have the advanced inspection. For example, this is the C-bot that we developed by ourselves. It can check the carburization of the coil, and
Okay.
usually people just build the scaffolding, and it's very costly.
Hello, hello. Oh, it's much better. Thank you very much.
Hello. And for this one, this is the C-bot. This is the carburization inspection robot, and that's we developed by ourselves. Usually people make the scaffolding is very expensive, and
Yes.
if you use the C-bot, it's very quick, and we reduce the working at the scaffolding. It's cost effective.
Could you please share with us how effective it is
And
about the
because-
cost?
And you can take the shorter time, and you can get the more information for the measurements.
Because it's smaller, it can get through anywhere inside the factory, inside the machine.
And in case of the inspector, they do it manually, but for this one, it's do it automatically. And that's why we can plot the graph like this. We also develop the software. We can see the trend of the carburization of the coil. And for the inspection, we also develop the submersible robot.
Right.
And usually the normal practice, they let the driver to inspect something under the water, but because of the safety concern, and we built the submersible robot to inspect it. And we also have the drone to inspect the tip of the flare, and we also have the advanced solution.
The tip of the flame.
Yeah, it's very high, and it's
Do
very
we need
dangerous.
to inspect that as well?
Yeah. It's just and
Yeah,
we need to
okay.
inspect it.
Right.
And for the heater and the equipment that's operate at a very high temperature, and they may have the sensitization problem, and you can use the DOS tester. And usually this is pretty well known, common in the lab, but this can do on the field.
Okay.
This is very interesting, and the Repco and SCG Chemical also can provide a service about the finite element analysis and the fitness for service. And we also provide a corrosion investigation, and we not just we provide a solution for the client and how to fix the equipment, and they're not gonna happen again for
All
that
right.
kind of problem. We also provide a risk-based inspection service and a pipeline integrity solution.
Okay.
And-
That's very informative. And there are lots of services provided by SCG Chemicals.
Yeah,
Okay. So for anybody like to have the corrosion solutions, I believe that this booth can provide you almost everything.
yes. Thank you very
Okay,
much.
thank you very much. ขอบคุณค่ะ And let's proceed on Cirrus. Am I pronouncing your company right? สวัสดีค่ะ Cirrus Specialty Tech Corporation Limited. What do you do, by the way?
Cirrus, we provide the comprehensive solution for corrosion management.
Comprehensive
Solution.
solution.
For corrosion management.
Like what?
Yeah, through the VCI product. VCI is the volatile corrosion inhibitor. So our product is inhibitor-based product. And we also have products that cover several applications.
Wow.
Like the corrosion protection as well as the corrosion removal.
Whoa.
So today we present several products like
Okay.
this is called VCI bag,
Uh-huh.
which could give long-term preservation for.
Is the bag itself? It's just only a bag, but a special bag.
Yes,
Oh,
it's
okay.
a bag that provide the corrosion protection for
Really?
metal parts.
Really, because of the specialty of the
Yeah.
producing procedure?
Yes, the VCI is mixed with the plastic,
Yes.
and when you put the metal part inside, the VCI would emit, and cover the whole area.
Oh wow!
Yes, so
Which is not visible with the eye.
It's not visible, and it gives dry and clean, corrosion-free protection to parts.
Can we put something else inside the bag?
Yes, but
Like the
it's-
cosmetic, the food, or anything?
Right, but the main purpose is to protect the parts from corrosion. But
Right.
of course, you can put anything in the bag because it's like normal bag.
Oh, okay. Serious oil and gas. Very interesting.
We also have what we call the capsules, which we put in the electrical control boxes,
All right.
and it would emit the VCI
Okay.
inside the box and cover, the whole area to protect the circuit, circuit and all the metal parts from corrosion as
It's
well.
all about extend the usage of our equipments. Extend the time of the usage
Right,
of
and
the
also
equipment.
to so that we also prevent the operational failure because operation failure could be caused by corrosion as well.
Wow. Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
And Cirrus have brought you the amazing bag. I can't remember the name of it already. But I know that it's good. All right, let's proceed to Axo Nobel Coding. สวัสดีค่ะ
สวัสดีครับ
Axo Nobel.
Yes, we are the paint supplier. We are the coatings that provide the corrosion protection. We have a product to support in the tank linings, fireproofing,
okay.
and another corrosion under insulation. Yes, we have a product in the wide range to support in oil and gas markets, offshore market, and
Yes.
also power and refinery. Yeah.
All right, so mainly oil and gas business.
Yes, and we are the paint supplier. We have a fireproofing that we developed with the NASA.
Wow.
Yes.
Okay, so I just saw the client, they just walk away. That
Okay.
means your booth is very interesting, by the way.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. So let's proceed to the booth. With they have some kind of pretty girls. Huh? ไปแล้วค่ะ ไปแล้วค่ะ Trinity นะคะ ไปแล้ว ไปแล้วค่ะ So I will proceed to the booth. The next booth. สวัสดีค่ะ CCS Innovation. May I have some representative to present what are you doing, by the way?
TCS Innovation is dealing business with complete corrosion control. Complete, yes. We do casting, we do cathodic protection.
Oh, wow.
Impressed current and sacrificial anode.
Mostly in the oil and gas business as well, or each kind of the business? For the corrosion control.
Excuse me?
You provide a service mostly for oil and gas?
We provide a service and we are manufacturer also.
Okay. In each kind of manufacturer.
We manufacture a sacrificial anode and we provide coating that service.
Wow, okay. So today you brought us the example of the
yes.
solutions and the services.
Impressed current from the Medcore USA. We have the last bullet coating.
The coating.
The newest technology from USA.
Wow. Newest, how new it is?
Probably
year?
in 10 years.
10 years.
But
in
you
the
know,
newest.
It's in the coating.
Oh, yeah.
In the coating.
Right.
Not that new, but it's still new in Thailand.
Oh, okay. Thank you very much, CCS Innovation. It's all about complete solution about corrosion. So let's proceed to QES. Hi, hello. Gentlemen. QES Thailand, what do you do? It's already switch on.
Okay, QES Thailand, we are an authorized distributor of the Spectro Scientific. The Spectro Scientific is an oil analyzer.
Of what?
Oil analyzer for
Oil analyzer.
yes, oil analyzer is using for making a proactive maintenance and finding the root cause analysis.
Do you mean that the oil quality affect the corrosion?
Yes, it's that right. The oil is has effect to make its oxidation. Oxidation is mean corrosion.
Okay.
And then we are an distributor of the Olympus. Olympus is have XRF and XRD. XRF and XRD I will pass to Dan.
Okay.
Dan will introduce this.
Yeah, of course, you wear the Olympus shirt.
Yes, I am.
All
Yes, I
right.
am. So Olympus makes a range of portable devices. So we've got the portable XRF system, and
All
that can
right.
tell you what elements you've got.
Right.
So you have iron, you have nickel, and what sort of percentage of those elements or parts per million concentrations
Right.
of those elements do you have. And then we also have the world's only portable XRD, which tells you what the corrosion products are. So
Right.
you've got iron, but what corrosion product is the iron in? So you can work out what the different corrosion products are, and then you know how to treat them better if you know what they are.
All right. So that are all about QS, but you have more products that is concerned
QES.
the corrosion solution.
That's right. So QES distribute for Olympus in Thailand.
But they are the highlight that you brought two of them in this conference.
At this conference, yeah, we're only presenting two of them here.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you very much, QCS Thailand, for joining us. ขอบคุณค่ะ Ladies and gentlemen, here we have proceed to the time that you need to proceed back inside the breakout session conference. May I invite all of participants, please proceed inside the Jom Tien 8 and Jom Tien 9 for the next session of the conference. ท่านผู้มีเกียรติทุกท่านคะ ตอนนี้ได้เวลาแล้วนะคะ ดิฉันขอเรียนเชิญทุกท่านเข้าไปยังประจำที่ที่ห้องจอมเทียน 8 และจอมเทียน 9 เพราะว่าเราได้เวลาที่เรานั้นจะเริ่มเซสชั่นต่อไปของการประชุม TCPC 2015 แล้วนะคะ Ladies and gentlemen, may I call upon all of our guests once again. Now it's time to proceed back to the breakout session. We have two sessions provided for you in Jom Tien 8 room and in Jom Tien 9 room. Please proceed inside the conference room as our session is ready to begin. ทุกท่านคะตอนนี้ได้เวลาเริ่มการประชุมเซสชั่นต่อไปแล้วนะคะซึ่งเราจะแบ่งออกเป็น2ห้องด้วยกันคือห้องจอมเทียน 8 และจอมเทียน 9 ตอนนี้เรียนเชิญทุกท่านเลยนะคะกลับไปที่ห้องประชุมสำหรับการสัมมนาในช่วงที่2ของภาคเช้าค่ะขอบคุณค่ะ The same as in the morning, as we have 28 of our alliance booth, and we would like to take this opportunity to introduce each booth. I think all of them, they have interesting technology to share with us on this conference anyway. So where were we in the morning? Yes, we have proceeded to CCS already and QES already. And here, let's talk with EcoForce. สวัสดีค่ะ สวัสดีค่ะ So, have you seen us in the morning already? And you know what to do, right? So, let's introduce yourself and what are you doing? What have you brought with to us?
Composite repair ค่ะ Composite repair and we can do it online ค่ะ and our product is ASME compliant ค่ะ
Yes, it's about repairing.
Yes.
Mostly and mainly repairing. Do you have another services?
We only do composite repair specialist only.
Because you are the specialist.
Yeah.
That's why you emphasize on only one thing.
Yeah.
Okay, if you'd like to persuade, if you would like to invite the participant to come over your booth,
Yeah.
do you have any message for them or any promotion today?
If you're looking for the online repair, no shutdown, please looking for us.
Okay, thank you very much. You have done your best. สุดยอดค่ะ All right, let's proceed on how to pronounce your organization. Is a VIP tail or VIP tail? Is a VIP or VIP tail? You have your own microphone. But to make the participants over there will be able to hear your voice as well, please use my microphone instead. Right.
Very good.
All right, VIP tail. Who are you?
Viptel.
Oh, you have the big script over there.
Yeah. So Viptel is a solution provider.
Right.
And they specialize in providing ceramic coatings for boiler and furnace tubes, as well as they offer total maintenance for condensers and coolers. They do fin fan air coolers. And that's what they do.
So, what is the main business that you are in?
Oh, ceramic coatings. Ceramic coatings is the main business for Viptel. They specialize in providing ceramic coatings for power generation as well as oil and gas.
All right. So, this is all about if they would like to have some advice on this stuff, proceed to the Viptel.
You got it.
All right. I noticed that you have such a short period time of preparation, but well done.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, Viptel. So there are many solutions joining us for this conference. Thank you very much. สวัสดีค่ะ Quest Integrity. You integrated something.
Right.
Yes.
So we are a company. We're providing inspection.
Inspection.
Advanced inspection services such as pipeline inspection, intelligent pigging, and also we are advanced engineering consulting company.
It's included corrosion inspection as well.
Yes. So we provide most of the engineering assessment and consulting services. Of course, corrosion is one of them.
Okay.
Yeah.
So if the client would like to see more, to know more about your services, you have the brochure, you have the leaflets.
Yes.
Can they make an appointment with you later on?
Of course, yeah. We'll be here until tomorrow.
Okay.
So we're also staying here. So anytime, we welcome them to come here.
All over Thailand.
We will be coming here like every month. So yeah, it's easy to contact us.
Okay, thank you very much,
Thank you
Quest
very much.
Integrity. All about consultants. So because it's consultants, there would be just only papers, and the rest you may talk to them in the meeting. All right. So we have totally 28 booths. So we'll spend approximately 2 to 3 minutes per booth. สวัสดีค่ะ Thai Parker Lighting. What do you do?
Actually, we have three main business right now. We are chemicals producers.
Chemical producer.
Yes, for a special process like pre-treatment.
Okay.
Yeah, and also we are doing as a job quota for surface and heat treatment service.
So it's about preventing the corrosion.
Yes, right now we have a process that we call Delta MKS. It's a zinc flake coatings for corrosion protections.
Coating every surface, or it's just only metal?
Right now it's only for metals.
All right. So it's about coating service.
Yes, and also we have a service laboratory. Such as chemicals analysis and surface and metallurgical analysis.
And you have your own laboratories.
Yes.
And what did your client mostly send you for the research? What kind of liquid were it with them?
Actually, it's many kinds. Sometimes because we are a job quota, sometimes customers send us the part to analyze the defects on the part.